guys, so today we are going to be doing a book activity based on the book Harold and the Purple Crayon by Crockett Johnson. In Harold and the Purple Crayon, Harold goes on an adventure. He leaves his bed at night and he draws different adventures like a city. He draws an apple tree with a dragon, and then he tries to find his bedroom window and he ends up drawing it and going to sleep. So that's the book, and it's really a very cute book and has a lot of imagination in it. But so for this activity, we are drawing something with yarn, and when the yarn dries, it will stay in whatever pattern or shape you put it in. So for this activity, we made our yarn make a letter. So we did a Z and an A. So I took wax paper and yarn and liquid glue. So then you take your yarn, and it could be a purple yarn. We didn't have any purple yarn, so I used one that had a purpley yarn in it, but it also has brown and white. And I soaked the yarn in glue and then made the letters. This was a more difficult project for my kids. They tried it, but I ended up making the letters for them. So it's probably more of an activity for older kids. But so then once the yarn is dried, it just comes right off. You have to be a little bit careful because it will bend and things, but that's the letter Z, and then the letter A is there, and it came off pretty well. The yarn didn't stick to the yarn very well. I don't think I had it touching it completely. I think it would stick well if you made sure that it was touching each other. But so then, since it was Harold and the Purple Crayon book, I drew a purple crayon and then attached it to the start of, or just one side of the project. And the purpose of that is to make it look like the crayon drew the yarn. So it's just a cute way to incorporate it with the book. So let me know what you guys think about this project down in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Alright, bye guys!